morning, Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Friday, November 5th, 2021.
Please stand for the pledges to the flags.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you, and please have a seat.
November is Native American Heritage Month. Today, we will be honoring the Code Talkers. The Code Talkers were Native American Marines who created a code based on the complex, unwritten Native American language, particularly that the Navajo language. They sent secret codes over military phones and radios during the World Wars. The Navajo code is the only spoken military code to never be translated.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton will be sunny and with a high of 63 degrees and a low of 40 degrees.
In the headlines, after senior had no candy for trick-or-treating, or kids returned with gifts for her. 3 children arrived at the Newcastle home of 86-year-old Brenda Burton for trick-or-treating. She said with regret that she didn't have any treats to give them. The children replied, "It's okay, because sometimes making people happy and getting a nice big smile is a reward enough." They went to the shop, bought some chocolates, a cart, and a pack of muffins, and note, which they brought to her door the very next day. The kids addressed their card to the kind lady. Burton's family said they amazed at the kindness of the kids, and that she said has been lost in happiness since meeting the children.
Today in history, in 1994, George Foreman wins the heavyweight world boxing title, 20 years after his win in the Rumble in the Jungle in 1974.
Cool. Today's fun fact is octopuses have blue blood and 9 brains.
Whoa.
What?
Today's word of the day is lollygag. Definition: to dawdle or be overly slow. Used in a sentence: he was kicked off the team for lollygagging during practice.
Now here's Lily and Carter for the joke of the day.
Hey Carter, why did they let the turkey join the band?
I don't know.
Because he had his own drumstick.
That's all for today. Let's say our motto together. Doing your best is a key to success. I choose excellence. I'm Sophia.
I'm Natalie.
That's Larry, and that's Fiona. Until next time, fly high, Falcons. Bum, ba-dum, bum, bum, bum.